Hi guys, so today I will show you how you can add a date picker function in Excel in order to input the dates rather than manually typing all of the dates. So we have a sample of data with names of the students, their ages, and then we have to type in the date of joining. So for that we need to have a developer tab here. So then we go to File, we go to Options, we go to Customize Ribbon option, and then we click, we tick the Developer tab option, and then we have the Developer tab here. So now we have to insert the add-in. To insert the add-in, we go to the Microsoft Store. From there, now you can see there are a lot of other add-ins you can use for efficient working. But for the sake of this video, we will stick to the calendar. So you can type in the mini calendar. You can also, of course, see it from the list, but it's easy to type it and then it'll pop up. So there you go. So you can add it. You can accept the terms if you do agree. So there you have the calendar. You can resize it if you want. You can move it around. However you like. So now we can input all the dates. So let's say Latonia joined today, Dinah joined on last month 11th, and then the rest we can just type in the dates as they are. We just need to click each and every date, and it'll automatically work. So then there are of course different functions here. You can make the size different. You can even change the colors. You can change how the type of the calendar. It will be US or even different calendars where the first day of the week starts differently. So we will just stick with this, I guess. Then of course you can see which week are we in. So there are different options you can work around with. And then of course you can hide the settings for the simplicity, and also if you want to remain more practical. So this is what it is. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.